Greeting everyone. In this video I will show you how to download Firefox on your computer or laptop using any browser. So first, subscribe to the channel guys in order to keep the content, and let's enjoy. So open the browser, then press Firefox. So here you will just directly go for the download section, download Firefox, and you just wait for this in order to pop in here. So after that is gonna be opened, then it's gonna be the Firefox installation. You will wait for now installing. I will just keep it and return after this. So guys, you just wait for this to finish. So guys, after the installation you will have this browser on it, so just save and to continue and just importing of the application itself. I will not import, to be honest, so I just skip this part, or I just skip this step. So what we'll use for, I will just skip, start browsing. There you go guys, there is the Firefox on your desktop installed and so on. It's good to deliver. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel once again, like and share the video, and peace.